Breath is about to pump to the upside, and I'm going to show you why in this very video. Look at the price chart. Market make this first move to the upside at this very point and come back down, which means there is a potential buy signal coming into the markets right now with this very bullish candle. And on Bitcoin, after that very breakout on divergence, market begin to pump to the upside. I talk about this, and there is a warning on this very price chart right now. I'm going to show you all of this in this very video, so pay attention and watch this video till the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel I discuss everything about crypto day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Breath is one of the best meme token out there that you can get in your portfolio in this very bull market. Breath is on the base blockchain and have just 10 billion max supply, which all of it is in circulation right now. You see the circulating supply is equal to the total supply right here, and is ranked 64th on the coinmarketcap by ranking and $1.2 billion market capitalization. This is crazy, guys, and I believe this is one of the meme tokens that you can hold in your portfolio right now for the next pump in the market. And in the heat of the bull market, I am expecting Breath to do more than $30. Okay, my minimum expectation for this very meme token that is on the base blockchain is $30. And where you can buy Breath is on Bybit, which is SEX, and you can also get Breath on Gate.io, KuCoin, btcusdt, and the rest of this right here. And this is a very important thing right now because I am expecting a pump that was going to come into the market. A pump is about to come into the market right now, but this is what you need to pay attention to on Breath chart. From this very area, market move downward, so we have this very resistance trend line. I am expecting that once we see a breakout on this very trend line, market is going to begin to move to the upside. So what you should pay attention to right now for that aggressive move to come into the market is the market to break out on this very level of important resistance. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. And if you look at the RSI chart from this very point, market begin to move to the upside. So the same thing on the RSI indicator. So if you draw from this very point right here to the downside, this very area, once we see the RSI line begin to move and we see a breakout on this very level of resistance trend line right here, which also means the market is going to begin to move to the upside. So this is a sign that market is going to move to the upside on Breath very soon. So the implication is that if you wanted to buy Breath and you've not bought, this is the best time to buy right now. Possible scenario to pay attention to if you want to buy Breath is you buy right now with 25% or 50%, and then you wait. If the market come upward and break this level of resistance, which means the pump is already in, then you buy again with the remaining one. Or you buy right here where the market is right now, and then if market drop down into this level of important support right here, which is a critical support on the chart, then you buy again from this very point. What will happen if you buy like this is because if the market begin to move to the upside a little bit into this very area, you are already in profit because this is where you bought from in the first part of your buying. So this is very important, guys. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the Breath chart. Breath is going to do very well in the heat of the bull run, like I said earlier, and the next pump is in the market already. And pay attention to this very level of resistance. Once the market break out on here, market is going to begin to move all the way to the upside on Breath. And on BTC, I talk about a very important divergence that was on the chart right here. And if you pay attention to this divergence, market broke out of the divergence and begin to move all the way to the upside. Look at it there. From this very point to this very area, and from this very point on the RSI indicator to this very point, this was a bullish divergence, and I told you to pay attention to the breakout on this very trend line right at this very point. You see, the breakout occur, and after that, market begin to move upward aggressively. Okay, so this is so important. So if you buy Bitcoin, or if you bought Bitcoin at this very point, congratulations, you should be in massive profit. But there is a warning on this very chart right now as well. I am still expecting the market to continue this movement upward. On the 1-day chart, market is still going to move to the upside. But if you take a look at what is going on right now on the 4-hour chart, something is playing out that you need to pay attention to right here. I am going to show you right now. If you look at this very area on the RSI indicator, market move all the way to this point on the chart, from this point, and then move all the way upward. This is an important resistance. If you notice the way market move here, you see market move from this very point upward and then retrace, and then could not move any more further, which created a divergence on the chart. Okay, the same divergence I talk about on the 1 day before that pump occur is the same divergence that is on the 4-hour chart right now. What does this mean? From this very area on the chart upward, from here, market creates a new high, but on the indicator, if you notice, from this very point downward, market creates a new low. Okay, this is a bearish divergence. What it means is that market is going to come back to the downside. And where you should be paying attention to is very critical right now is if you draw from this very area to this very point, pay attention to market breakout on this very line. Okay, this is like a broadening wedge. Okay, so a broadening wedge breakout at this very area, it means that we're going to see the market have a good correction before the market is going to move upward. Now, market is going to still move upward on Bitcoin, but I am expecting that market retrace this very impulsive move. Then after this retracement, market is going to begin to move to the upside again. And possible area where retracement is going to pause is this very level of $59,000 and this very area of $58,000. The market is going to begin to move to the upside from this very zone. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the Bitcoin chart. Market is going to retrace on the 4-hour chart before continuation to the upside, in line with what we are seeing on the 1-day chart right now. So this divergence is very important on the chart right now. Pay attention to this. So if you want to invest in Brave and you are using $1,000 to buy Brave, what would that be in the heat of the bull market? So this is very important right now. Let's say, for example, you are buying at the current market price with $1,000, and if you divide that $1,000 by where the market is right now, which is 0.1305, this is the quantity of bread you're going to have in your account. And if you multiply this by $30 in the heat of the bull run, what I am expecting bread to do, then you're going to make $229,000 in the heat of the bull market. This is crazy, guys. This is the best time to buy bread right now, when it has not pumped hard, because the major pump is going to come into the market very soon. What this also means is that bread is going to do this number of percent in the heat of the bull market. So expect bread to do 230x. This is very possible. 230x in the heat of the bull run, guys, in 2025. So this is my own price prediction in 2025, and this is very possible, and this is my own personal opinion. So pay attention to this, guys, and get some bread into your portfolio. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you next time.